In this video we'll study about the sorting tool and VLOOKUP command. Suppose that this is the data we have taken from the LMS. In this data we get the roll numbers and the marks of the students, but directly this is not the finished data, and whatever data available is in the random manner. So first go to the C column where we get the student at the Gmail and their roll number. So we have to find out also we have to take out the roll number only. For that purpose, copy this C column anywhere to the V column, then select this V column, go to the data, then text two columns. There are two options, one is the delimited and fixed width. Select the fixed width, then click on the next button, then select this bar, slide to the R, position of R. Means it will take the, it will break that total value into two columns, one up to the R value and then second will be from 034 like this one. So this screen lets you to, set field widths. So we can set the field of the field width as per our choice. Click on the next button. So in this way we can first column will be generated like this one, email ID up to the R value, and the second column will be with only roll number. So in this way we can we can sort out the roll numbers from that email ID, and only then click on the finish button. So here we can see that in the V column we have the email ID and the W column only roll number. So write down here roll number. Next, copy the grade points. So now we got the roll number and grade points, but this data is in the randomized manner, so we can sort it. So select the total data, then go sorting by roll number. Here when you select on the roll number, then my data as the radar should be selected. So this point should be selected. Okay. Now whatever the data is there, we got the data sorted according to roll number. But again there are some problem that there are some numbers are missing here. Some students have not given the exam. So what to do? Only we can fill up the data from 1 to suppose that there are 80 numbers are there, so we can drag it the number to the 80 number, or say 100 numbers. Then we have to find out what is the marks to the this one roll number student. For that purpose we can use the VLOOKUP command. Select the roll number. Lookup means we have to look up here in this table. This is the lookup value. Then what is the table array? So select this table array where we have arranged the marks and roll number. Then just log this table by using the $sign. Column number, the data is available in the column number 2, and then select false. Whatever the data should be exactly match. So this is the formula. VLOOKUP array2 comma what is the table array, and then second column and false. You can click on enter. So first the roll number is having 4 marks. What if the students they have not typed, on that place we get the hash NA, means this they are absent number. So from that one we can find out the marks from the LMS. We first convert the data into roll number, then copy the marks of the student, and we can arrange the marks, roll number as well as marks from this available data.